Understanding control flow errors.
Control flow refers to how a program decides what to do next, using structures like if statements, loops, and switches. Mistakes in control flow can cause bugs, unexpected results, or even security issues. By learning to recognize common control flow errors, you can write more reliable and maintainable code.
Misplaced or missing braces.
A frequent problem is forgetting to use braces in if statements or loops. This can lead to only one statement being controlled by the condition instead of several, creating bugs that are hard to spot. To avoid this, always use braces, even when there's just a single statement inside your control structures.
Off by one and infinite loops.
Loops are powerful, but it's easy to make off-by-one errors such as looping one time too many or too few. Similarly, forgetting to update a loop variable or writing a faulty condition can trigger infinite loops. Double-check your loop boundaries and update logic to ensure they do exactly what you intend.
Improper sequence of conditions.
Using multiple if or else if statements in the wrong order can produce incorrect outcomes. For example, checking more general conditions before specific ones might prevent important checks from running. Arrange your conditions thoughtfully, from most specific to most general, so your program handles all scenarios correctly.
Neglecting breaks in switch statements.
In switch statements, forgetting to add a break after each case can result in fall-through, where the program executes code from multiple cases instead of just one. While deliberate fall-through can be useful in rare cases, always add breaks unless you truly want this behavior.
Tips for avoiding control flow mistakes.
To minimize control flow errors, keep your code clear and organized. Comment your intentions. Use consistent indentation and test edge cases thoroughly. Reading code aloud or asking someone else to review your logic can help catch mistakes early, making your software more robust and error-free.